So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the default screenshot saving location on your Windows. For example, the screenshot that you take. Now, in order to change that, let me quickly open the default location. That's screenshot in the pictures section. Now, for example, if I create a new folder on desktop and I want to name it as the new screenshot folders. I want to set it to the new screenshots folder. Let me just quickly create a folder. Now simply double click over there, and here simply right click over there and hit on properties, and go to this, and here you'll see this option of location. Simply copy this particular location from here, right? Now simply open the default screenshot location right there as well. For example, this one. Now again open, right click on the default screenshot folder, click on properties, click on location, and here you have to paste the location that we have copied. Once you do that and hit apply and OK, you'll notice that now if you take the screenshot, it will directly save to this folder instead of that folder. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.